We set out to design a stealthy electric bike, one so sexy you couldn't tell it's electric. Job well done. You may remember us from our first campaign when we launched a sleek line of electric bikes for the people. After delivering thousands of bikes around the world, releasing over a dozen new models and countless design iterations, we're ready to release the Baby Maker. It's the sexiest and stealthiest e-bike we've ever made. The Baby Maker is everything we love about classic road bikes, redesigned with advanced technology for the modern world. The beauty is simplicity. Less is more.
You got enough going on in your life. The last thing you need is more gimmick features you'll never use.
There's no gears to fumble with, no keys, no GPS, no Bluetooth, no pointless app, so you can just enjoy the ride. The Baby Maker is simple. It works for you. Just turn it on, hit the pedals, and go. Traditional bikes are limited by your own pedal power, making hills and high speeds challenging. That's why we gave the Baby Maker a powerful motor discreetly placed in the rear wheel. Tackle hills with ease and get there in record time, all without breaking a sweat.
Want to get to work fast and fresh? Put in level 5 and let your Baby Maker do the work. Want some exercise? Put in level 0 and it's all you, baby.
The Baby Maker's classic style turns heads everywhere, yet nobody knows it's electric. That can be our little secret. There's no ugly battery bolted to the bike. Instead, we ditched the unsightly cables and hid a high-capacity lithium battery right in the frame. Charge the battery in just 2 hours and you can ride with pedal assist up to 50 miles per charge. When the battery's out, you can just continue riding forever on your own power. The Baby Maker is so lightweight, it pedals just like a normal bike. When you need to slow down, just hit the powerful Magura hydraulic disc brakes and safely stop from high speeds in an instant. The Baby Maker Pro has no greasy chain. Instead, it rocks a carbon Gates belt drive. This gives you a remarkably smooth ride that is quiet, clean, and maintenance-free. The Baby Maker is our vision of the future of sustainable transportation. It gives you the freedom to ride faster, climb higher, and explore further than ever before. The Baby Maker is more than just a bike, it's a movement. If you want to keep more money in your wallet, have more time for the people you love, and breathe more clean air, then this is the bike for you.
The Baby Maker is ready for mass production, so reserve yours today and tell your friends, because with your help and our expertise, we're going to build you a bike that will change the way you think about riding forever. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see ya.
What do we need to feel free? Feeling nothing that controls your life and mind. Begin your journey with Fido. Imagine there are no limitations at all, except gravity. The Fido electric bike offers an outstanding riding experience due to its 20-inch wheels and Shimano's 7-gear transmission system, which provides stability under any conditions. No matter how fast you are going, the dual disc brake system immediately slows you down. One charge let you travel up to 100 kilometers on a flat road and up to 50 kilometers while using built-in power boost mode. Powerful 250-watt motor provides you sufficient amount of energy for any ride. Aluminum alloy makes it super light, super easy to charge, due to hidden battery inside the seat. Its minimalistic and modern design defines the future of electric bikes. Fido, sky the limit.
sun.
If you could design your own e-bike, how would you do it? Would it be classy, sexy? Or perhaps a bold new design that's elegant yet functional? Want to know more? Introducing Revo, the hubless e-bike. You'll be turning heads with Revo's amazingly unique design. The patent-pending hubless wheels are crafted from aerospace-grade alloys and engineered for maximum durability. Revo also rides and handles exceptionally well, thanks to a strong lightweight core. Feel the need for speed? Simply rev the throttle and watch the world slow down. Revo's powerful electric drivetrain will get you around in no time. Or, if you prefer, use the incredibly clever pedal assist that adapts to road gradient and provides you with a gentle boost that feels so natural. Ever feel anxious about leaving your bike alone? We feel you. Simply use your fingerprint to lock the bike. A strong wheel lock deploys automatically, out of reach from bolt cutters. No more carrying bulky chains around. An intelligent motion detector activates when the bike is parked. It sounds an alarm and notifies you when someone tries to move your Revo. But we didn't stop there. An integrated GPS also anchors the bike to its parking spot and lets you track its location in real time. Your Revo is yours and yours alone. The interplay between light and shadow is a key pillar of our design philosophy. Our designers worked hard to make Revo a piece of art that looks as amazing at night as it does during the day. And we've also equipped Revo with the technology to get you around safely at night, with automatic LED headlamps, integrated brake lights and blinking turn signals. So, commute in style with Revo. The hubless e-bike that's wonderfully engineered to make every ride exceptional. It's time to upgrade your ride. Revo is now ready for mass production. We need your help to achieve our minimum order quantities and deliver Revo into your hands. This is everything you need in an e-bike. This is 5 years of development, hard work and love in a single elegant package that we're proud to introduce to you today. This is Revo.